Hi everybody, this is Sam from BMW Motorcycles of Walnut Creek, and this is the all-new 2017 BMW S1000R. I can tell you right away, this is a smooth bike. Inline 4-cylinder with an increase of 5 horsepower over last year's model. So they're rating it at 165 horsepower with 84 foot-pounds of torque. BMW also fitted this bike with the HP titanium slip-on or muffler, which is an Akrapovic pipe. That went ahead and reduced the weight by a little over 4 pounds. And you put that in combination with the new HP forged wheel option, and you know, between the wheels and the exhaust, you're at 8-9 pounds lighter than the previous model. And the performance on this bike is great. One of the things that was really exciting to me was the fact that a lot of the electronics associated with the S1000R have made their way over to the S1000R. We're talking about options like wheel lift detection, both front and rear. Although the front lift detection is switchable in the Dynamic Pro mode, definitely you can tell this is going to be an exciting bike to ride. Great sound from the exhaust. This is that Akrapovic titanium slip-on. Now, some of the electronics we're talking about is going to be the launch control, the pit lane control, ABS Pro, which resists standing up if we need to get aggressive on the brakes with the bike leaned over. Dynamic dampening control is now available on the S1000R. With the dynamic dampening control, it seems like you have less in terms of selectability. They're giving us a road and a dynamic mode. But honestly, what we're seeing is that within those two modes, the bike is going to be making more adjustments on your behalf based on the riding conditions or the environment. And great brakes. Go ahead and get on the brakes with it leaned over, and man, that ABS Pro is amazing. It just allows you to brake effectively without wanting to stand the bike up. Yeah, not bad at all. That's a 4th gear roll-on from about 25 miles per hour. This bike scoots. Go ahead and try out the Gear Shift Assist Pro with the downshifts. 4th, 3rd, smooth as glass. This bike feels amazing. Well, for 2017, BMW has done it again. They've effectively raised the bar on the 1000cc sport bike class. At 165 horsepower, 84 foot-pounds of torque, this bike is downright amazing to ride. It's got great features like traction control, dynamic traction control, I should say, dynamic dampening control, launch control, ABS Pro, heated hand grips, electronic cruise control. This bike just feels amazing. And that was a quick ride on the 2017 BMW S1000R. I hope you folks enjoyed it as much as I did. Oh, and look at that. Get back and we've got an R1200 GS Rally ready to go.